any decentralized application requires some address that is connected to the wallet that sends transactions and basically allows the app to interact with the blockchain. And MetaMask is one of such wallets. There one can have their own blockchain address and can interact with different decentralized applications. And this is one of the most popular and battle-tested wallets, and you can easily add it to any browser, almost any browser, like Google Chrome or Brave or Firefox, and have it there as an extension and use it. You can also have some apps, separate apps that they created too. But yeah, for our purposes, we have in POM as a desktop website version for now only, and we will for sure need a browser with a MetaMask wallet installed. So yeah, let's install your MetaMask extension. So you need to tap download.
Download.
Yeah.
Extension.
Yeah. Okay, you already downloaded it, so it's saying like remove, but we do not need to remove it. You can already, so if you haven't installed it before, you will be redirected to this page. So now you need to create, basically to set up your wallet. Just follow the information that the MetaMask is asking or sharing with you. So kind of you need to agree with the terms, and in our case we will just create a new wallet. So you just press on create a new wallet, and so MetaMask is asking you to help them to improve it, so you will be able to opt out from sending some information to them in your settings anytime, and they will never collect your kind of personal data about balances or money or tokens you have or something like that. They're just sharing this information because they need to share it according to the laws, and you just need to agree. And in settings later you will be able to see how much information you can share, like opt into something or opt out from something. So just agree.
Click I agree.
And so basically it's recommended to add some password to a new wallet that you create, because it adds some additional security to that wallet. So you can, so I don't know, if you wish to use this wallet further, after we will do this session, you do not need to show us anything that you type in there. If you will remove this wallet afterwards, you can show it. It's up to you, so just decide. And I recommend to actually put some password here, and actually to write it down right at the same time somewhere. Because
so you don't forget.
You don't want to remember to forget it sometime. So just write it once and confirm it second time. And important things below saying that actually, as I said, like you really need to write it down somewhere for yourself, or maybe a few times, because MetaMask will never be able to recover this password for you. So if you will forget it, you will lose access basically to your wallet. So write down your password you create.
So, like it's not like auto-stored.
So it's not like that. The problem is that it's kind of afterwards it will be hashed and like we've encrypted, and you will never be able to, no one will be able to
recover.
So write it down and press I understand then, and create a new wallet. Okay, they explaining actually here some information about the securing the wallet and seed phrase and everything. So I actually, as we are recording, I can now propose like two things. We either creating this wallet and you will never use it after we will record this session, because we now will kind of show the private key seed phrase, so-called, of your wallet to make it secure, or you will not secure your wallet now and do it afterwards by yourself, and I can help you with that if you wish, but it's totally up to you what you want to choose. If you want to have now like some just example for everyone, and then we'll remove this wallet and not use it, or use it just for test purposes like this one, and will not store there anything valuable, then we can show all the steps now for everyone to actually also educate people a little bit about secret phrase and seed and so on. So what do you want? Will you agree to show now everything and not use this wallet later for anything valuable?
Yeah, let's.
You can always transfer, assets or something.
Because we will now create the empty wallet, there will be nothing, and I will just send you some testnet money, and then you will have a testnet token. So I mean, like
to like a trial test.
Yeah. So it's kind of everything.
Yeah.
So no worries, but you will be able to create another wallet afterwards with another like different seed phrase and different password, for example, and everything. So yeah, then we will show now. So basically, each wallet have two elements. It have a public so-called key, the address that allows actually to send money to the wallet or from it, and the private key, so-called, or like that's kind of additional part of second part of your wallet that kind of used to sign any transaction, and is that part that is securing your wallet and making sure that only you can actually interact with your wallet. And this second private key is actually hashed out of some 12-word combination that is a secret recovery phrase, or you can sometimes see it called seed phrase or something like that. And basically, knowing these 12 words, you can get access to your wallet anytime, anywhere, even in other wallets, or if you will lose this one, once again install the MetaMask and not create a new wallet as we did it today, but tap another button restore my existing wallet from the seed phrase. And this is why it's super important. It's kind of the second part that is even more important than the password, that should be each time written down, and it should be stored like super securely in few copies, and you need to know that it's safe and you can have access to it. And if you now will, so they kind of taking you through that process to help you to have a secure and safe experience with the wallet. And now if you will tap reveal secret recovery phrase, you will see 12 random words that actually should be written down, as I said, exact in the same order as they are appearing on the display. So you need to write them down, like number 1 rose, number 2 food, number 3 dignity, and so on and so forth, to make sure that and I totally not recommend to do, like, for example, screenshots, photos or something like that of that. Never do this, because actually if you are doing it, it means that according to what you are using, what device you are using, your phone or your laptop, this information getting available right away to your cloud or something else, or anyone can get access to it. Just if you are making a photo and someone get access to your phone, they can get access to that. So basically, I even not recommend to copy to clipboard for biggest safety, but just to write down it from the screen to some piece of paper. And then you can, if you have some, I don't know, super secure place, for example, there are such kind of cloud solutions that allows you to store your personal information that are open source and that are not providing it to anyone and storing it encrypted. Maybe if you have something like that, you can put it there, or there are some special device devices already that you can buy to actually kind of store this information. But yeah, the easiest and simplest way is just to have a piece of paper and pen and just write it down right there, and never copy, make photos, share it anywhere. So you can just like write it down and press next afterwards.
Yeah, cool. So the next step.
Yeah, and basically now it will ask you to reproduce, to make sure that you actually wrote something down, to reproduce the words. So it was dignity actually there, and
yeah, and really,
yeah, barely. What was there? Hungry, yeah, and that's it. So they kind of now trying to make sure that you actually, and help you to be secure and stay secure and make sure that you will be able to get access to your wallet. And now you have once again an opportunity to write things down the last time, and after you will press confirm. So it means that you create the wallet, and yeah, wallet creation successful, got it, and you will go to your MetaMask. Yeah, it's actually asking you to pin it to your browser, so you will be easily and quickly access your extension from the browser anytime. So yeah, they also providing some information about the updates here, so don't worry about that. But you can check it anytime and either agree with something or disagree with something. You have a lot of opportunities to manage how wallet is working in your settings. So this is why also I think the MetaMask one of the leading and popular solution, because they actually taking care a lot of experience of people, and to make sure that they not provide something they don't want to, and so on and so forth. So now I think you actually can really pin it to your browser, so we will be able to quickly use it anytime. I guess you need to tap on this puzzle icon or some extensions, and then MetaMask and pin button. And now, for example, if you will tap on that MetaMask, you will see that small pop-up opening. So you can just tap cross and close it. So basically this is your account, and they again doing some tour here, like click the icon to switch networks on the left top corner. This is where you can see which network you are at and change them. So if you will click on that top left corner icon, please do it. No, on the left top corner, there. Please tap on it, because we will also need it for our purposes. Okay, so here you see selection of the networks, and please also drag this slider to show test networks, because we will need also test network for our test. Show test
networks.
You can just okay, once again, you should maybe pin it for the easiest way to access it. Okay, you can close that cross again. We don't need to follow MetaMask. You can just close it. And if you will stop. Can you please just go again that place, and we will just pin it.
No.
You will not just press the pin, so you will not need to go each time to that extension.
You can open it.
It will be all the time there. So now you can easily access it, and just tap on it. You can tap on it, and again on the left right corner where we have networks, and please tap on the slider, show test networks. And you will see main test networks, Girly, Sepolia, Linear, and you can choose Sepolia right now, because we will use it further for the test. Okay, so you close the tour, but I will also provide it to you further instead of MetaMask. So actually what I wanted to show you next is that if you will tap on that account number 1, on the top in the middle, account number 1,
Account one.
Well, you will see that here you have now one account and its address shortened and the amount of tokens you have. And here you will be able to actually add more, like have more wallets connected to this exact account by tapping add account. You do not need it right now and you can close it. What you also need to do, under this account one, you have actually your address in blue with that icon, copy icon on the top. Can you go back again to this top? Yeah, right under it. Now close it, please. Right under it, you see the address 0x.
0x.
Yeah,
Oh,
0xCFD, blah, blah, blah.
If
Just
yeah.
tap on it, you will copy it. And so it's copied. You need to share it with me. So I will be able to send you, please send it to me in the chat, and I will able to send you some testnet Sepolia ETH. It will take few minutes actually to confirm the transaction, and afterwards you will be able to see 0.2 Sepolia ETH in your wallet.
Like a question, like I am curious that if we will auto deduct the amount from the user, like on a monthly basis or on an annual basis.
I'm not sure I got it.
No, it's not a subscription fee.
It's your current account, how much assets you have in your current account. So this is it. And MetaMask is free to use, kind of. You don't need to pay anything for using MetaMask. You just pay in any time when you are making transactions, as usually, because anytime then you interact with the blockchain, you pay some amount of fee called transaction fee to miners, actually, to operate your transaction and transmit it and make it added to the blockchain. Okay, then we have MetaMask wallet installed, and we have some Sepolia Ethereum on our address, as I have it here. We can actually proceed and try to create our membership with some community on the POM cards, and today we're doing it for the DAO network. And what can we do here? Firstly, what we need to connect the wallet, and it's pretty easy. Just follow the instructions appearing, and important thing that in my case, as I tapped the button, the MetaMask pop-up appeared automatically, but for someone it will not work this way. In this case, you will need to tap on the MetaMask Fox icon with number 1 appeared around it, so showing that there is some interaction, expecting some activity from you. So I'm coming here, I'm connecting my account, and I'm just following the instructions, pressing connect, and it's done. So now we see here not connect wallet text, but we see the shortened version of my address that we have the same here in the MetaMask. And with that, I can actually, right on that main screen, register membership with the DAO network. So I will create my name, choose my name. Okay, I will do it this way, for example. DAO network. Yeah, that community already exists. Yeah, actually, some recent communities are here. Many of them are tested one for test reasons, but yeah, DAO network exists. So you just write it down, and then you just proceed and wait. Because of testnet or internet connection, it may require some time to load actually information here. Yeah, but it's loaded, and you see that it's the same name I chosen in the DAO network, some amount of money that I will need to pay to register membership with this exact name that I chosen, that I will get the name for lifelong membership or ownership, and I need to accept the terms and register it, and again interact with the MetaMask. And again, as I said last time, if it's not appearing automatically, you need to tap on it and follow the instructions. You need to confirm the transaction to tell the blockchain that you're going to register membership with the community. And yeah, our transaction is already confirmed, so we can see the status of it if we wish. At some point, yeah, it's still indexing. It takes some time, especially on the testnet. Yeah, now it's done. And so from here I can close it, and I can see I'm on my memberships. I have many of them already in different communities like cats, the network, Town, and everywhere. So that's exact membership that I just registered, and I can see it in a separate window, maybe big and beautiful one, and I can also copy this and share it with anyone, and the same one is also appeared and visible on the OpenSea, your core DAO network. Yes. Yeah, from here I can go back to homepage, register more memberships with some other communities, or see my memberships or create other communities and manage them. Yeah, this is different things that could be done right now.